Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can use Duck.ai by DuckDuckGo. So first thing what you have to do is launch any of the browser. It could be Chrome or Brave. In my case, I would like to go for Chrome. Now here at the top search bar, type in Duck.ai. Then you'll see DuckAI.com. Go ahead and tap onto it. Now once you open the link, you will see a page like this. You can or cannot log in, it depends upon your preferences. In my case, I am not logged into my account. Now here you can directly access the chat, but first of all select a model if it's going to be GPT-5 or maybe 4 mini. Once you have selected your model, you may go ahead and start chatting with Duck.ai. Now if you would like to send a message, you're going to have to simply type in something and select this button right here, and then it will be gone. This being the chat feature, you can also attach some attachment by tapping on this button right here. You can either add some photos or videos or maybe file. And likewise, you can also create an image if you tap on this filter like icon. It will give you some source answers from web if you tap on web search, or you can also customize the responses by setting tone, length, and behavior. If you tap on this two-dot icon on your top left-hand side, you can see it says new voice chat. So you can also talk with them in a call by sending the voice message. For that, you're going to have to tap on enable voice chat. And these are all the things that you are getting under Duck.ai. First of all, it is very private and none of your audios will be stored. So tap on enable voice chat, allow permissions, and go about using it. If you would like to make some changes, tap on the gear icon. And here you may go ahead change from light to dark or dark to light theme. If you allow this voice chat, you may go ahead and enable voice chat as well. If the voice chat option is not showing here, that means you have not enabled it. So simply toggle voice chat. So guys, this is how you can go about using Duck.ai. Thank you for watching.